Hi, my name is Mr. Holt. I am a chemistry teacher in the high school, and I'm going to help Mr. Grimm explain a chemistry phenomenon to you. So, I know you've done this before, but if we get some um, pepper and grind it over water, you can see that the pepper is spread out evenly over the surface of the water. And then if we add a spoonful of this, not a spoonful, sorry, just a little drop of this soapy water mixture, and add it on, you can see that the soap somehow pushes all the pepper to the side. So what we're going to talk about is how that happens. Soap is made of molecules, and molecules are particles. They're a type of particle, and they're like rods. They're shaped like rods, like these pens. And in the little drop of soap, there are lots of them, hundreds of millions of billions of them. And what happens when they fall on the surface of the water is that they start to spread out. And they spread out by lining up like this. So they're all in a mess when they're in the droplet. But when they land on the water, they spread out. And when they spread out on the surface, they spread out head to tail like this. And they line up, all in a line. So what you get on the surface of the water is loads and loads of these little rods stacking up and forming a layer that is one of these molecules thick. And this stacking up of them pushes all the pepper away to the side because the pepper particles are very, very light. So the reason that they stack up like this, though, is because the head end of these molecules is attracted to the water, and the other end of the molecules is not. So they're actually repelled by the water. And that's why they stack up so neatly, like these rods. And this stacking up and this sticking together like this is what ends up pushing all the pepper away. Thank you.
And that's it. That's why.